This is All India Radio Shillong. The Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. In Meghalaya, 2 persons who came from Uttar Pradesh to South West Garo Hills district have tested positive for COVID-19 and they are under quarantine. Meghalaya now has the total number of 46 COVID-19 positive cases, including 8 active cases. Meanwhile, samples collected from Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma were sent for COVID-19 test after he returned from Manipur on Sunday. Manipur saw the rise of COVID-19 positive cases with 57 new positive cases reported in the last 24 hours. The new cases, including 41 males and 16 females from different districts, and they all are returnees from other states. The number of positive and active cases in Manipur has increased to 898 and 648 respectively. Meanwhile, the Manipur government has clarified that there is no community transmission stage of COVID-19 as on date. In Assam, BJP legislator Krishendu Paul has tested COVID-19 positive yesterday. Paul, who represents Patargandi in the State Assembly, was tested during the ongoing Assam Targeted Surveillance Programme on Sunday and the report came out positive yesterday. All his family members have been quarantined and their samples have been taken for test. Assam has so far reported 5,586 positive cases with 2,053 active cases and 3,521 patients discharged from hospitals, 9 deaths and 3 have migrated out of the state. Mizoram Health Minister Dr R Lalthangliana yesterday said that the state has not reported community transmission of COVID-19 even as new coronavirus cases are detected almost every day. Speaking to reporters, Lalthangliana said that Mizoram has taken early measures to prevent the spread of coronavirus and the first among the Indian states to begin screening at the airport. He also said, due to divine help and early containment measures with better institutional facilities, the state could avert community transmission till date. Meanwhile, 1 person has tested positive for COVID-19, taking the state's tally to 142. The new patient, who hails from Siaha district, had returned from Delhi recently. Out of 142 cases, 130 are active and 12 people have recovered so far. Meanwhile, people in Mizoram offered prayers from their houses for the recovery of COVID-19 patients. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal has directed the Chief Secretary to take necessary steps for enforcing strong action against violators of the COVID-19 protocol, including those who do not wear masks and violate the social distancing norms. Health Minister Dr Himanta Biswa Sarma, while apprising the Chief Minister about the steps taken by the Health Department to control COVID-19 outbreak in the state, informed that presently voluntary swab collection was being carried out in 12 testing centers in the city. Nagaland recorded 69 new COVID-19 positive cases, the single-day highest spike since the state reported the first positive case on May 25th. Health Minister S. Pangneoform tweeted that 65 patients are from Perin, 3 from Dimapur and 1 from Zunheboto. With this, the total positive cases have increased to 280, including 139 active cases and 141 persons who have recovered. The Tripura government has come up with a special initiative to engage students in the learning process through mobile phones. Education Minister Ratan Lal Nath said the government would launch a new project, Ektu Khelo, Ektu Paro, from Thursday for students up to class 8. In Manipur, the State Education Department has ordered all private and aided schools not to collect fees from students for 4 months from April to July, considering the closure of schools due to the COVID-19 pandemic. An order issued by the department also directed these schools not to hike admission fees for the academic session 2020-2021. Fee, if already collected for this month, shall be adjusted in future. Regarding the salary of teaching and non-teaching staff, the order instructed 50% payment of salaries for staff with students enrollment below 700 and full payment for schools with students enrollment of more than 700 students. Manipur Education Minister Th Radheshyam has appealed to all schools and guardians to follow the government order and said that practices of luring students by giving freebies including laptops, tablets and other monetary benefits by schools should be condemned. Thomas Jones Day was observed in Meghalaya yesterday as a tribute to Welsh missionary Thomas Jones, also known as the founding father of Khasi alphabets. The Meghalaya government has declared a public holiday as a mark of respect to the Welsh missionary who arrived at Sora in Khasi Hills on June 22, 1841. Thomas Jones was born in Tannifrid, North Wales on 24 January 1810. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma, while paying his tributes, said that the Khasi alphabets in the Roman script and the establishment of Sora dialect as the common language of Khasi and Jainte Hills remains the legacy and contributions of Thomas Jones to the tribes and the people of Meghalaya. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.